How to use the course schedule. Start by going to the Sandburg College website and scroll down to class schedule. There are simple instructions at the top. Select the term, look for courses, days and times, location, submit. We'll fill in fall 2019 for the term. To see the whole fall schedule, leave everything blank and click submit. There you can see the entire fall schedule. I don't want to do that right now, so I will back arrow. I do want to look for earth science and psychology. I don't know the course number for earth science, but I do know I want psychology 101, so I can fill that in. If I wanted my class to meet after 9 o'clock, I could fill this in. If I had to leave by 3, I could fill in 3 o'clock. If I need Monday and Wednesday classes, I could click that. If I'm looking for a location or all online, I could choose that. To have the greatest selection of classes and times, I am going to take out these parameters. So I'll take out the 9 and the 3 and the online. And then I'll hit submit. We'll start with earth science. Here's the term, fall 2019. The class is open. Section name and title, earth science. It's in Galesburg. Here's meeting information. Faculty, available capacity wait list. That means there are 14 seats available out of 22, and there are 0 people on the wait list, and it's a 4-credit class. So then I'm wondering, what books do I need for this class? If you look up here, it says click section name and title to display the section information page, which includes textbook information. So we'll go to that. That is right here, the blueprint. So on this page there is a lot of information. The correct title, course number, class description, credits, meeting information. So for a science class, you're always going to want to check the meeting information because yes, the lecture is Monday, Wednesday at 11, but you also have a lab on Tuesday at 11. Next, there are requisite courses. That means required courses for the class. You have to have an appropriate placement exam score or have passed English 097 with a C to take earth science. Coming down here, I get to where the textbook information is located. You need environmental geology and you need taking sides. You always want to check this ISBN number because that is the identifying number for the book. You always want to have the correct edition of the book. If you plan on ordering your books from somewhere other than Sandburg College, make sure you have the correct ISBN number. If you are going to order from the bookstore, you can click here and that links to the bookstore for more ordering information. I'm going to close this window and get back to my schedule. So here I'm looking for available psychology classes, and this one is showing as open. So I would look over here for my comments. It is a lecture class, Monday, Wednesday, 1 to 2 o'clock. Location is here. And then you always want to read the comments. So if you read these comments, you would see it's not a regular classroom, but an active learning environment. You would also see that the class uses open educational resources and you do not need to purchase a textbook. To see the faculty, you'd look over here and see that it's Jill Johnson, and then here you'd see there's 1 seat left. So there you have it. That is how you use the course schedule. It's a good idea to check out the course schedule before you visit with your advisor. Thanks.